Hey everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Now, just want to apologise. I've been quite busy, so I haven't been able to do the final video yet for the bonnet and that. Yeah, I'm actually using it as a desk at the moment, but the bonnet is basically almost finished being rubbed back a bit again. I'll be using the acrylic lacquer premium top coat black in actual satin black. So the other stuff I was using, it yeah, had issues. So it's been rubbed back, and I've got to go along and do it. Now I want to just shout out to Glenn Rid from NZ Mopar and Arco and Heidi at Outlaw Edge. Now just wanted to show Arco that I got a couple of new little hammers in. And that sort of stuff. So picked this one up the other day. It got delivered this morning, and that very fine. Just got to go along and just clean up the heads a little bit more and give them a buff and a polish. And then I also picked up this one along with it too. So I've been keeping an eye out for different hammers and all that sort of stuff. So update some better quality ones and get away from these plastic handled, fiberglass handled ones. So that's it for now on there. Been busy with orders and that, as you can see. Mate of mine, Dale, thanks Dale mate if you're watching, for cutting out a bunch of the door corners for me today. That's helped out a lot. So I've got door corners there. I've got this panel here on the go. So HDHR full upper, full dog leg just to the top here. One there that's already been done for the right side for a customer. Left side's getting done. We've also got about 16 door corners that have got to go out to one customer, 2 for another one, and 4 for another customer. That's so I make the templates for the rest of those door corners, and that they're done. As you can see right there, that's my workload at the moment. So as you can see, it's filling up very fast. We haven't done much on the ute because we've been so busy with customer orders. Got the new shear in and that, so this eventually is going to be attached to a stand, and I'm going to make it so it's foot operated, and that as well. My score the other day that you would have already seen, over time, and that once we finish this off, we will do a quick restoration on that, and yeah. So I think that is it for now. I want to say thanks to the new subscribers and that sort of stuff. The Facebook page is just going berserk, up to 764 likes, and 800 odd people following the page as well that haven't actually liked, they're just following. And it just keeps growing, and that hopefully within the next 4 more weeks, I should possibly, maybe 6 weeks, have the money for a new bead roller, electric, foot operated. We can't wait to get that. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I will hopefully, probably this weekend, get there and do the last video on putting the final black coat on that. Once that's dried and cured, That will go back on, and then we start the rest of the bodywork on it, and then get it all prepped and high build and all that sort of stuff sitting there waiting to block out. Yeah, I think that's it. Also, that's right, the other week picked up some new panels that we're going to look at making. So I've got to unstitch those panels and look at seeing if we can make them up as well.